degrees.
I'm just going to be doing like the tracking here into the oven. So we've got our double boiler on for a little bit of chocolate melting. Dark chocolate, 100 grams. Start by getting all our dry ingredients together.
Okay.
Decided to maybe go with a little bit of muscovado sugar because that's what like adds to that like nice fudginess.
Some brown sugar, some butter.
We can put in a little bit of our vanilla extract.
Okay.
If you want to.
Guy.
Yes, please. I think we're going to incorporate one at a time here.
Right,
And then egg number 2.
there we go.
Ah, perfect crack. Dry ingredients. Do you want to give it a good fold since you are the queen of batters and biscuits and baking?
She's very nice.
We can add a little bit of, it's probably a bit hot, sorry, should have warned you. We can get all that beautifulness in there. So over here we've got ourselves some food coloring. Do not be alarmed by the quantity. Ta-da!
Wow, look.
The mixture, as you can see, is quite nice and sticky. You just got to be free.
Okay.
So this is icing sugar, right?
sugar.
So it's been all sifted. And then you're going to basically put it in there and you're just going to roll it around a bit. Get in there, you know, you want to give it like a proper coating. Put them into the oven at 180
degrees.
I'm just going to be doing like the tracking here into the oven.
I can't wait to taste them.
The moment all been waiting for.
Not only do they smell amazing, they look amazing. So these are the cracks.
Yes! Hence the crackle biscuit. Yes.
It's quite warm.
It's going to be super warm. I don't know if you're going to be able to handle the heat.
Wow.
Oh, it's really nice.
There you go.
Here's our biscuits. Bye!
That's a boomerang. Let's do it.
Boomerang.